I'm about to go out to San Francisco all day because of my birthday. I needed to put makeup that will last all day, at least 8 hours and even more. I will show you from the skincare steps to putting foundation and setting powder. If you have oily and combination skin, what I do may work for you. First, cleanse your face with a gentle face wash. I used Chicago Bubble Cleanser. Then I prepped my skin with SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. I use it as a toner. Next, I use Primera Essence. It's also a water-type toner/essence. It's a little bit thicker than SK2 Essence. I usually layer this 3 times. It will hydrate better comparing to only layer this once. Even if you have oily skin, it's very important to hydrate your skin with an oil-free product. Next, I put vitamin C. Vitamin C is not only anti-aging product, vitamin C protects the skin from sun damage and free radicals that attacks the skin throughout the day. Next, I apply Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. It's like a serum, but without the feeling of heaviness. At first, you might feel it greasy, but about after 2 minutes, you will only feel good hydration. Before I put a lotion, I put eye cream. The eye cream I am using is Belif Peat Miracle Revital Eye Cream. When I apply eye cream, I use spatula because it applies better. Spatula has its own weight, so you do not have to press it unnecessarily. Just let its own weight apply your eye cream. This spatula came with a different eye cream. The name of an eye cream was BeautyBio. I didn't like that eye cream because it was too thick. So I scoop a little bit on a eye spatula. Then I take a little bit of eye cream on my ring fingertip. Then apply it on my upper eyelid first. Then put rest of eye cream on a spatula on my lower eyelid. I also use my ring finger tip to tap few times to let it deeply absorb into my eyelid skin. Apply the other eyelids too. After about 1 minute, apply cooling eye gel. It is from CLINIQUE, all about eye depuffing eye massage. Your makeup will put better if you apply this. Then I put Extra Auto Barrier Lotion. This lotion is very gentle and hydrating, even if you have oily skin. Unless you are extremely oily, this lotion will be good for you. Last step will be a sunblock lotion. This lotion is very light, yet it will fully protect your skin from sun rays. The name is Self-Fusion C. This sunblock is good for oily, combination, and dry skin. But if your skin is extremely oily, this cushion sunblock will be great for you. Remember to put your sunblock on your neck too. I put a little bit thicker and oily sunblock on my neck. Apply POREfessional only on your pore areas. Beside your pore areas, apply this primer. First Aid Beauty Hello Fabulous Pores Begun Matte Primer. I will mix these three foundations. Mixing these foundations will give you a natural look and it will last at least 8 hours. Your foundation will stay put. 2 pumps of RMK and little tiny bit of airbrush flawless foundation. Then 1 spatula of BeautyBio foundation. Mix it all together with BeautyBio foundation spatula. Then gently put your mixed foundation on your face using your ring finger. Then use your cushion foundation puff to blend it. If you have oily skin, using a cushion foundation puff may work better. Cover the other side as well. Apply a setting powder and set your foundation. Your makeup will last even longer. I used Makeup Forever brand. Do you use brush? No, not if you have oily or acne scarred skin. Use Beauty Blender Power Pocket Puff. your makeup will stay put longer and your flawed skin will look smoother. Bye beloveds, and have wonderful and joyful weekends.